Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you how to create your Discord account. So first, open the browser and type in www.discord.gg/worldisavillage and then press enter. Alright, so here Discord is asking you how you want to call yourself. So make sure to put your real name so we can recognize you during the sessions. So for example, Killian HH. You tick the box and continue. It loads a bit. Alright, here is the important part. So it depends on the country, but if you're less than 16, you will likely need to ask your parents to put their birthday to make sure you can access Discord. So ask your parents and put their birthday. So let's say it's April 4th, um, 83, for example. You press done. And finally, you still ask your parent for their email and the password. You can choose the password. Make sure to keep this email and these passwords so that you can connect to Discord later. So here you should press the big blue button, which I'm not going to do because I already have the account. And finally, there's one last step to do, which is verifying your Discord account. So ask your parent to go to the email you used to create your Discord account, and you will receive an email from Discord asking to verify email. So hey Killian, you press verify email here. If you already have a Discord account and you simply need to change your name so we can recognize you, go to the right and find yourself under online, right click, change nickname, and here you can put your nickname you want to show to everyone on the server. There you go. So if you're too young for Discord, you might be blocked on this page. Even if you go back to login and try to register again, you're still blocked. So you need to go on the parameters of your browser. Click settings, privacy and security, and if you go to cookies on and other site data, you go down, see all cookies and site data, and here you see that there's a cookie from Discord. So you can remove all cookies or remove just this one. And then if you go back to login and try to register again, now you're able to register. So put the email, username, password, and make sure to call your parents for their email and their date of birth.